What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Bottom Line and our new daily after the market recap. And I don't know, one of the slowest days ever. Across the board, you name the product, there was nothing going on. Markets record highs across the board except for the Russell. But at the end of the day, there was absolutely no action going on. We're in the middle of a triple witching. We're in September. The complacency is reeking in these markets and nobody cares because we just know that we're going higher. Hey, you know, why fight it? Again, I think it's a great day. I think this might have been the lightest volume day trading for me in history. There was absolutely nothing to do. There was no reason to get involved. Amazon did have up about 12 bucks. Apple was down. Facebook was flat. Bob is going to the moon. But nobody cares. It's an amazing market right now. That whether you look at grains, livestock, oil was up a little bit today, gold was down a little bit, but there's no follow through, there's no action in the markets. Based on the patterns, the market should be reaching the upper end of the level. We've broken out a little bit to the upside, but with no trading action. I think the bigger story today was the Mnuchin comments saying that economic sanctions, they're going to do whatever it takes, including if they have to stop with China. And I'm asking the question, well, why don't we just do that? Why are we waiting? Again, threats are just threats. Why don't we show some action and make them react? Again, maybe I'm a little bit over the top here, but I don't understand what it's going to take. You know, with all the screwing around that we're waiting for and all the threats that we're making, in the meantime, North Korea could do anything. You need to shut them down. You need to shut them down now. In the meantime, that did not create one ripple in the market, okay? It didn't create one bit of action. But I think there's something very interesting to take a look at. And those of you, many of you like to trade the VXX in substitute for the VIX. The VXX was down over $1 today, while the VIX was about unchanged. If that doesn't tell you that that's not a crooked product, and that nobody should really be in there unless you're in there for a short period of time, nothing will tell you, it will help you. That's a product that is not to be traded. Those triple leverage products are completely garbage. Unless you're a quick day trader looking for a quick move. But if you're not, they decay just like options. But the big picture here is nothing's going on. Nothing has the markets unrest. They continue to drill higher quietly because the lack of action continues to push markets higher. Remember, there's always money flowing into the markets every day from pensions, hedge funds, IRAs, things like that. So there's always buyers that are coming in. And what we don't have now is we have no interest, we have no sellers, and we have no real volume. We have no volatility. So although the markets had set records, and again, we're not going to get in the front of them and stop them. We're just saying, hey, do you really want to get involved chasing them up here with the type of action that you're seeing? That's the real question that you have to ask yourself the next time you want to place a long trade in the general markets. Again, I'm not saying get short by any means. I'm saying that the overall function here of the market is really just sitting back, waiting, and deciding what the Fed is going to do next, which is another joke in itself. In the meantime, expect more of the same on Thursday and on Friday because it is triple witching expiration. Expect high volume, but I don't know if we'll see a lot of movement or not. I think what you're going to see here is just this slow bump and grind until we find a reason that the markets are going to sell off. And until then, I think we continue to watch. In the meantime, we did set records across the board. This is Bubba's Bottom Line, and of course, we do this every day, and make sure you check out our weekly version at BubbaTrade.com, and also catch the Bubba Show every day at LibertyTalk.fm, 2 to 3 Eastern Time. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bubba's Bottom Line. Take care, everybody.